General Ecology offers you a large variety of sophisticated purifiers, smartly designed and developed to be adapted to your home, your trips, your business or your transports. Fully manufactured in the United States by General Ecology Incorporated, these top-class purifiers are the incontestable leaders in the field. Thanks to its proprietary structured matrix purification technology, General Ecology took up the challenge to bring you a precise and efficient solution to improve the quality of your drinking water. This purification technology is independently certified and recognized by many prestigious international laboratories. But how does structured matrix technology purify your water and help to protect you without chemical addition or electricity? First of all, the ultrafine microstraining physically removes contaminants such as diseased bacteria, cysts like Giardia, and other specific parasites and debris down to 0.1 microns, 0.4 absolute. Removing the pathogens also removes the disease toxins they contain and is far more superior to poisoning organisms with pesticides and allowing the pathogen residue, toxins and pesticides to remain in the water to be consumed. Then, the broad-spectrum molecular capture of structured matrix technology absorbs and traps specific organic and other chemicals such as pesticides, herbicides and solvents, as well as chlorine and other trace contaminants that can be toxic and or carcinogenic, along with foul taste, odor and color. Lastly, the electrostatic removal uses specially charged space-age surfaces, essentially as magnets, to remove minute particles, molecules, and colloids suspended in the water. All of these purification mechanisms work together to remove naturally the contaminants far smaller than submicron microfiltration alone can remove. Each cartridge provides instantly great performance to provide optimal comfort. Very practical and reliable, this technology is suitable in many applications and is easy to install and use. General Ecology offers you the means to purify easily and efficiently your water. So trust the excellence of General Ecology purifiers and give new life to your water.
When you think about the finished product of a plastic bottle, you don't think about the process.
Most of the public does not know that their plastic materials are being made in petrochemical plants.
People think when they're drinking bottled water that they're getting a healthy product. They're not conditioned to think, well, maybe there's something in the plastic.
We found that one person at the FDA was responsible for overseeing all of the regulation of bottled water in the country.
Bottled water is the greatest advertising and marketing trick of all time.
There are all sorts of ecological problems. We use approximately 18 million barrels of oil to transport water, and it's growing every year.
If you eliminate the scourge of bottled water, you'll be eliminating one of the biggest problems facing our environment.
Fake plastic girl.
There's plastic everywhere in the ocean. There's 9 million football fields of area, about as big as Texas, 3.5 million tons of plastic out there, all absorbing pollutants, animals consuming it, up the food chain to the food that you and I eat.
We want to drink the purest water that we can get. Now, why would you put that water into a substance which has the potential to leach chemicals into that water?
10 brands that we tested contained everything from radioactive materials to arsenic and industrial solvents, chemicals that leach out of the plastic itself.
You're talking about virtually no testing, and people have just assumed that what we're getting is safe.
And one day we'll see the light.
Bisphenol A may be one of the most potent toxic chemicals known to man.
We don't have BPA in our product.
None of your products?
Correct.
What about the 5-gallon jugs?
I'm not sure about those.
Bisphenol A is an industrial chemical that's in a big 5-gallon jugs.
My concern is that the FDA doesn't want us to ask about BPA because of the current investigation. Can you talk about it now?
No. If I had known you were going to talk about that, probably wouldn't have given you the interview.